Imagine you've reached the top of a mountain. You've made it. You can see everything clearly, and you feel proud of yourself. It took hard work, but you did it. This is the feeling that comes from reaching your goals. But how do we get there? How do we make our dreams come true in 2025? In this video, we'll go over 5 simple steps that will help you change your life. Let's get started. Step 1. Set clear, specific goals. The first step is to set clear, specific goals. Don't just say, I want to be healthier or I want more money. Make your goals clear. For example, say, I want to lose 20 pounds by June, or I want to save $5,000 by the end of the year. Here's a tip from my own life. When I wanted to write my first book, I didn't just say, I want to write a book. I made a clear plan. I broke it down into chapters, set deadlines, and kept track of my progress. By the end of the year, I had a published book. It all started with one clear goal. Step 2. Break your goals into small steps. Big goals can feel scary, but you don't need to do everything all at once. Break your goal into smaller, simple tasks. This will make it easier to take action. Step 3. Build consistency with daily habits. The third step is building consistency. Success doesn't happen by doing something. Once in a while, it happens when you do it every day. For example, when I wanted to save money, I didn't try to save everything at once. I started saving just $10 every day. Over time, that small habit added up to thousands of dollars. Find one simple habit that you can do every day to get closer to your goal. For example, I wanted to get fit, but I didn't just say, I'm going to get fit. I broke it down. I will work out for 30 minutes, 4 times a week, and I will eat healthy meals 5 days a week. By focusing on small steps, I kept moving forward every day. Step 4. Track your progress and stay accountable. Step 4 is tracking your progress. It's important to check in and see how far you've come. Tracking helps you stay motivated and reminds you that you are moving forward. I use a journal to track every small step I take toward my goals. Each time I reach a milestone, I celebrate, even if it's small. It helps me stay on track and keeps me motivated when things get tough. Get someone to help keep you accountable, like a friend or an online group. You'll be more likely to stick with it. Step 5. Don't give up, keep going, even when things get hard. The last step is to keep going, even when things get tough. You will face challenges, and that's okay. Success isn't about being perfect. It's about pushing through when things get hard. I remember when I faced a big challenge while building my business. Things weren't working at first, and I thought about quitting. But I kept going, I made adjustments, kept learning, and finally had a breakthrough. If you face setbacks, don't quit. Keep going, and you'll reach your goal. You now know the 5 steps to reaching your goals in 2025. 1. Set clear, specific goals. 2. Break them into small steps. 3. Build daily habits. 4. Create accountability. 5. Review and adjust. Start now. Take that first step and move closer to the life you want. Leave a comment below with your goal, and let's support each other on this journey. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips to help you succeed in 2025. You can do this.